Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 Bast 3D printer. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So let's get started. Number 5. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M. Meet the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M, a high-speed Core XY 3D printer with fully automatic leveling and professional-grade performance for beginners and pros. At around $239, it offers premium features usually found in much more expensive printers, making it a strong budget-to-performance champion. Ultra-fast printing up to 600 mm per second speed. Fully automatic bed leveling for easy setup. 280 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder for multiple filament types. Core XY all-metal structure for stability and precision. 220 by 220 by 220 mm build volume for everyday projects. 3-second quick-release detachable nozzle system. Smooth, high-precision prints with reduced vibration. Beginner-friendly but powerful enough for advanced users. Pros. Extremely fast printing speed. Easy setup with auto-leveling. Solid build quality for the price. Great value under $250. Cons. Limited build volume for large projects. High-speed printing may need tuning for best quality. Not as quiet as premium enclosed printers. Number 4. Creality K2 SE 3D printer. Meet the Creality K2 SE, a high-speed Core XY style 3D printer built for multicolor-ready printing, fast performance, and smart automation. At around $299, it sits in the budget to mid-range, offering premium features like high-speed printing, auto-leveling, and upgrade-ready multicolor support. Great value for makers. Ultra-fast printing up to 500 mm per second speed. Supports multicolor printing via CFS system. Fully auto-bed leveling for easy setup. Direct drive extruder for flexible and strong materials. Solid metal frame construction for stability. Quick swap nozzle system for easy maintenance. Build volume, 220 by 215 by 245 mm. Designed for smoother, more reliable high-speed printing. Pros. Very fast printing performance. Multicolor capability support. Easy maintenance with quick swap nozzle. Strong metal build quality. Beginner-friendly auto-leveling. Cons. Multicolor setup may require extra system cost. Slight learning curve for high-speed tuning. Build volume is average, not large format. Number 3. Creality Ender 3v3 Plus 3D printer. Meet the Creality Ender 3v3 Plus, a next-gen high-speed Core XZ 3D printer built for large prints, stability, and fast production. At around $378, it delivers premium speed performance, a large build area, and upgraded mechanics, making it a strong mid-range upgrade for serious makers. Ultra-fast printing up to 600 mm per second speed, Core XZ system. Large build volume, 11.8 by 11.8 by 13.0 in. Auto bed leveling for quick and easy setup. Direct drive extruder for flexible and strong filament support. Stable metal frame construction for reduced vibration. Tri-metal nozzle for better heat resistance and durability. Optimized for smoother high-speed, high-quality prints. Pros. Very fast printing with Core XZ system. Large build volume for bigger projects. Strong and stable metal construction. Reliable auto-leveling system. Great upgrade from entry-level Ender models. Cons. Higher price than basic Ender printers. High-speed tuning may be required for best quality. Not fully enclosed, less ideal for some advanced materials. Number 2. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D printer. Meet the Creality Ender 3v3 SE, a fast, beginner-friendly 3D printer with smart auto-leveling and upgraded direct drive performance. At around $219, it's one of the best budget-friendly upgraded Ender printers, offering speed, reliability, and modern features at a low price. Print speed up to 250 mm per second for faster results. CR Touch Auto Leveling for easy first-time setup. Sprite Direct Drive Extruder supports flexible filaments. Dual Z-axis design for better stability and accuracy. Build volume, 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 in. Auto filament loading system for convenience. Supports PLA, PTG, TPU, 95A materials. Smooth upgrades over older Ender 3 models. Pros. Very affordable upgraded 3D printer. Easy setup with auto leveling. Good material compatibility, including TPU. Stable dual Z-axis system. Beginner-friendly but capable. Cons. Smaller build volume than higher-end models. Slower than newer 500, 600 mm/s printers. Limited for advanced professional production. Number 1. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D Printer. Meet the Creality Ender 3v3 SE, a fast, smart, and beginner-friendly 3D printer built for easy setup and reliable everyday printing. At just around $186, it's one of the best ultra-budget upgraded 3D printers, offering auto-leveling, fast speed, and modern features at a very low price. High-speed printing up to 250 mm per second. CR Touch Autobed Leveling for hassle-free setup. Sprite Direct Drive Extruder for flexible and strong filaments. Dual Z-axis system for improved stability and precision. Auto filament loading for easier operation. Build volume, 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches. Strong aluminum frame construction. Designed for smooth beginner to intermediate performance. Pros. Extremely affordable price. Easy assembly and beginner-friendly setup. Auto leveling saves time and frustration. Good print quality for everyday use. Supports flexible filaments. Cons. Smaller build size. Not ideal for very large or professional projects. Slower compared to 500, 600 mm/s high-end printers. If you want a budget-friendly, reliable 3D printer, check the link in the description for the latest price and deals. Like, subscribe, and follow for more 3D printer reviews and comparisons.